All right, Isaiah. I'm doing some work right now, so I look a little bummish. I'm still fine, but I'm gonna take a break and do this problem for you. All right, a circle represented by the equation x squared plus y squared equals 25, and this is pretty much the gist of all the problems that you had. All right, so we have x squared plus y squared equals 25, and they're really not even asking you about like the radius, the center, and all of that type of stuff. They're trying to see when a linear equation. So basically, you have something like this: a circle represented by that equation, and then you have a linear equation, y equals x plus 1. And what you're looking to do is to see where they intersect. Okay. All right. So the first thing, x squared plus y squared equals. Okay. So we have that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute y in here and then solve for x. All right. When I do that, I get x squared plus x plus 1 squared. I substitute it in, is equal to 25 x squared. I'm going to do FOIL on this. I'm going to expand it. That's x squared plus 2x plus 2. X times x squared, 1x, 2x, 1 times 1. 1 is equal to, and I'm going to subtract 25, is equal to 0. All right, so I have 2x squared plus 2x, 1 minus 25 minus 24 is equal to 0. I'm going to divide everything by 2 to simplify it. I get x squared plus x minus 12 is 0. Now I'm going to factor this here, this quadratic. Okay, open up my parentheses, x and x. Now this negative tells me my signs are going to be different, and I want a positive 1. I want two numbers that when I multiply I get negative 12, and when I add them I get positive 1. Well, I want the 4 to be positive and the 3 to be negative. 4 minus 3 is a positive 1. And now either one of these are 0 or they're both 0. Okay, so that means that x plus 4, because anything times 0 is 0, right? X plus 4 has to be 0, and or x minus 3 has to be 0. So here x is equal to negative 4, x is equal to 3, and I can come in and plug it back into this equation here. When I plug into negative 4, I get y is equal to negative 4 plus 1, which is negative 3. So one solution would be negative 4, negative 3. And then when I plug in 3 here, y is equal to 3 plus 1. So y is equal to 4. So that means one of my solutions is going to be 3, 4. My choices, A is 3, 4, negative 3, negative 4. They switched around and tried to fool you there. Negative 4, 5. You do get negative 4, but the solution is not 5. All right, so it will be A. Okay, 3, 4.